We are not a call out group. We do have call outs in the morning, but that is to go along with our actual training. We do not use Telegram. We do not use WhatsApp. We are not doing any of that. That is a bunch of garbage. We do not sell bots. That is trash. So all of the stuff that you guys are seeing bombarding you on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels, it's all a bunch of junk. You guys have arrived at an actual stock market trader with over 30 years of experience in any market condition who has trained over 1 million people right here. I've been in this seat for over 2 years straight, live every single day, answering every single question that you guys have, that you've thrown at me over the thousands and thousands of hours that we have been together. Appreciate all of you being here. We do have a free Discord, and not one of those cheesy little kid free Discords where nothing's going on. If you guys come over here and join a real Discord from a real corporation that's a real business, head on over, go to the education and training area. We've got a lot of ebooks, flashcards, games, terminologies, how-to videos to get you started. Check it out. If you are interested in any of our actual services that go beyond the initial training, we do have VIP and VIP Gold. Of course, we have our brand new mentorship program. I'll talk about those right now. With the regular premium membership, you guys will gain access to our Discord server. Right now, we have over 400 people in this room. You will start getting training at around 8:45. You're also going to get the hot stock picks that we post every single day. Those are the potential runners for that day and that day only. Of course, once they've ran in our hot stock picks, you want to keep an eye on them for the next couple of weeks or months. You guys on top of that will get the pre-market setup. So we'll give you key critical levels you guys can use at the opening bell and throughout the day that will help you navigate the market. You're also going to get the IPO center. So any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will know about it first. And the videos on demand. We have training videos that will at least get you started and get the conversation about what we do, how it works, what is going on inside of the room. All of that. When you're ready to step it up, you guys will want to look at the VIP membership. That's right where you can really start digging in and getting some serious training. Again, you guys will get the early pre-market access to trade with our other millionaires and mentors starting at 4 a.m. till 4 p.m. Very nice. You guys will get me, of course, starting around 8 o'clock. I've been coming in earlier so we can do the pre-market setup about 8:45. So you guys will get me at 8 o'clock. We will either train or trade or do both. Of course, you'll get the VIP lounge access. The workshop classes will be absolutely free for you. We put one of those on every single month and they are recorded. You will get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 full training videos you will find nowhere else. You cannot buy them. You will not find those on YouTube. That is only for VIP members. You will get the TradingView indicators. You just have to have a TradingView membership. Then we will use our 2-minute EWO overlay on top of that platform so that you guys will be able to watch what's going on in the market. When you guys are ready to step it up, you've had a lot of training in VIP and you're ready to move on, we want to look at the VIP Gold. With the VIP Gold membership, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes. You're also going to get 1 hour of tech support. So if you need us to remote into your system, this is not a one-on-one, this is actual tech support. We can remote into your systems. We can help you set up your charts, get you on your way. We will not be discussing any account information. That is against the law. That is not what we do here. It is just for tech support. We also have weekend training for our VIP Gold members in case you are working or you want to get additional training. That is every Saturday at 11 o'clock and that is recorded. You also have the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. So if you need help, we'll be right there, Johnny on the spot, to help you out. We do have the brand new news service. We're doing daily and or weekly outlook for the news service. Over 100 pages of information preparing you for the week ahead. We also have the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting at around 11 o'clock when I take off for the day. So you guys will be able to get additional training from our mentors and other millionaires inside of the room. With the VIP Gold, you'll also get all the Zoom sessions recorded. You can find those in the replay area. And right now we are beta testing the new Apple Chat channel. When you guys are ready to step it up though, and you want to get a more one-on-one style training directly with me, that's when you want to look at the mentorship program. With the mentorship program, I'm in here 1 hour per week. It has been every Tuesday at 11 o'clock and it is recorded. So if you guys want direct questions and answers, you will want to go in there. You want to make sure you're getting other training. Don't just come in with that. You want to make sure you're taking advantage of VIP and and or VIP Gold before you join the mentorship program, because these are more specific questions helping you nail down what's going on. But if you've ever wanted to take one of my $6,000 per hour one-on-ones, this is just like that.